In the beginning, Sky Father Ranginui and Earth Mother Papatūānuku lay in a close embrace with their many sons between them. For eons they lay within the confinement of an unbreakable bond, or so it seemed. But within the shroud of darkness festered a rebellion that threatened to tear them apart. The sons of Rangi and Papa had gathered in secret. He kaupapa kei te haere, te wehenga o Rangi Rawako Papa. There was much bickering amongst the brothers, but in the end, all but one was in agreement. Tāwhirimātea, God of the winds and storms, did not approve of the separation and vowed revenge. With the help of his brothers, Tāne separated their parents. Using his powerful legs, Tāne thrust his father up into the heavens, causing an almighty explosion that resounded across the cosmos. Deaf to the anguish of their suffering parents, the brothers reveled in their freedom, but it was not what they expected. It was an expanse of dark and cold emptiness that quickly filled with a great flood of their parents' tears. The brothers were miserable and cold in their newfound freedom. Amidst the rain and from the darkness, lightning flashed. A figure of dread emerged. It was Tāwhirimātea. The world fell before Tāwhiri and his wind children, who were intent on one simple purpose: revenge. One by one, the brothers were defeated by Tāwhirimātea. First Tāne, then Tangaroa. Eventually, only a defiant Tūmatauenga, god of war and humanity, remained. An epic fight ensued, a clash of titans. Tu was twisted in the air and slammed back into the ground, followed by a lightning bolt that Tu caught and hurled back at Tāwhiri. Tāwhiri launched a continuous stream of wind and lightning. Thunder resounded, the ground heated and cracked beneath them. Tu heaved mightily against Tāwhiri, his legs locked on the earth, and slowly but surely he advanced against his brother Tāwhiri. Quicker than the eye could see and the mind could comprehend, Tu reached out and caught Tāwhirimātea. With all his strength and might, Tu smashed Tāwhiri repeatedly into the ground. Tāwhirimātea was defeated. However, Tāwhirimātea, vowing to never let his brothers forget, had one final act of defiance. Clawing out his eyes in anguish and grief, he crushed them in his hands and cast the shards into the heavens. As if still possessing sight, Tāwhiri turned his hollow gaze to Tūmatauenga, uttering one final warning.
Know this, I will attack you and your children forever. I will rain down chaos and destruction. I will have my vengeance. Karanakia with the Matea Taku Matua. You and yours will never escape me. Every time you look to the skies, you will see the mata of the ariki, Tāwhirimātea, Matariki, and remember, when you gaze upon our Father, my eyes will look down on you and remind you of what you have